In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a unit in Zoho Books. This process is straightforward once you know where to go and what to do. If you're a small business owner or someone handling inventory, this tutorial will streamline your experience with Zoho Books, making it easier to categorize and manage your products or services. To start, you'll need to navigate to the Items module. On the left sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard, you'll find several options. Look for the section labeled Items. Selecting this will lead you to a place where you can manage all of your products and services. This area is crucial for keeping your records organized, so it's beneficial to familiarize yourself with its layout and functionalities. Once you're in the Items section, you have the choice to either create a new item or edit an existing one. If you're adding a new item, click on the plus New button, typically located at the top of the page. On the other hand, if you're modifying an existing item, simply find it in your list and hit Edit. This option is ideal if you've already been selling a product or service, but need to update or refine its details. After you decide whether you're creating or editing, it's time to focus on adding a new unit. Locating the unit field is simple. It's usually found under the Sales or Inventory Information section within your item details. This field is significant since it allows you to specify how you measure or sell your item, whether that's per piece, per hour, or something entirely different. Now, type in the name of the unit you'd like to add. The name might be something specific to your business like month, trip, or package. Once you've entered the desired name, press Enter. Zoho Books efficiently registers this input, adding the new unit to your system without any additional steps from your end. This addition is automatic, but crucial for tracking and reporting purposes. Finally, ensure you fill out any other necessary fields for your item. These could include descriptions, prices, or inventory levels, essential aspects that help in managing your sales and stock effectively. Once you've checked everything over and filled in all the required information, remember to hit the Save button. Completing this final step secures your data and updates your records, making the new unit available for future use across other items in your Zoho Books account. With these steps followed, you should now have successfully created a new unit in Zoho Books. This not only aids in better organizing your items, but also enhances your ability to provide precise and consistent information to clients or team members. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other videos in this series for more tips on how to get the most out of Zoho Books.